Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, I'm going to explain about how to handle dropdown in Cypress. So before that, I'm going to explain the dropdown in a WebDriver University. So here we are in a WebDriver University landing page. First, we have to find the card where is a dropdown. So here we have this card, and if we click here, we can see. So here this first card have the drop down inputs. So we can select the inputs according to our needs in a drop down. This is how the drop down will work. So I'm going to explain how to implement the test for drop down in a Cypress. First of all, I'm going to copy the previous codes. So I have copied, and I'm going to create a new file called dropdown dropdown.cypress.js, and here I have pasted the codes. Here I'm going to remove only the radio input tags. So I have removed this. So with this help of first line, we will navigate to the WebDriver University, and we will select the card which have the drop down. Next, we have to select the input. For that, we have to go to the WebDriver University, and here we have to find the CSS to select. So here we have a ID called dropdown menu 1. So I'm going to copy this ID, so we can select the particular this select tag. So for second drop down, we have drop down menu 2. For third one, we have a ID called drop down menu 3. So I'm going to Cypress, and I'm going to provide Cypress dot get and double quotes ID, and paste the inputs. And here I'm going to provide select command and provide the value. So first of all, I'm going here, and again I'm going to inspect to select the values. So first one, here we have SQL. I'm going to copy this SQL value. You can also provide Java, C Sharp, or Python according to your need. So here I'm going to provide this, and I'm going to the Cypress environment and close the files folders. So scroll down. Here you can see the drop down spec file. Select this one. So the test has been triggered. First, you will see the landing page. Next, we will see the cards that would be selected and navigate to the drop down case. So here you can see the SQL has been selected. In case I am going to comment this line, and again I'm going here, and if you see means by default Java has been selected. So I want to select the values for second drop down and third drop down. So go here and copy this line and change here. We already seen the ID numbers only changing. So for value 2 and 3, I'm going to inspect again. For second one, we have the value of Maven. I'm going to select Maven, and I'm going to replace Maven. Next, I'm going to inspect for the third drop down. Here you can see the values. I'm going to provide copy and provide JavaScript value here. JavaScript. If we go to the Cypress environment, now you can see the selected values has been shown here. Next, we have to evaluate this inputs, right? For that, I'm going to use assertions called should, and inside, first of all, I'm going to have dot value, and the value should be SQL, which we have copied here. Copy and paste here. Copy the condition, paste second and third. Maven, replace the SQL, JavaScript, and replace the SQL. Now go to the Cypress environment. You can see all the evaluation has been done and our test has been passed. So you can see here, this is how drop down button will be handled in a Cypress. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. You will get the updates regularly on time.